How to log in multiple emails in Gmail mobile. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can log in into multiple emails on Gmail on your mobile phone in 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the settings mode on your mobile phone. Afterwards, go into the Google settings, and it is present in every mobile phone device, Android mobile phone devices to be precise. So when you're going to find that Google option in your settings mode of your mobile phone, you're going to tap on it, and when you do so, this kind of a page is going to appear up, in which you're going to tap on the get your profile. I have already 3 accounts logged in into this device, so if I want to like add up another account, I will tap on the option add another account, and this is kind of screen which will pop out. So it will check up the info, it will process it, and afterwards it will tell me to write the email or phone so I can access it through my Gmail. So if I already want to have an account logged in, so this is very simple. This is how I can log into my account. Or so if I want to add some account, I'll like, so if I want to add an account, I'll write the Gmail of it, and when I successfully do so, I'll write the Gmail. It would refer me towards the password, and afterwards it will select that, and my that account would be logged in into the Gmail account. This is how you log in, or this is how you access multiple accounts of Gmail on your mobile phone in 2022. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.